Hi friends! This is my first book. Let's open it together. Yay! It has colors, animals, flowers, shapes. Do you have a book like this? Bring it! We'll have fun together. Pets. Dog, woof woof. Cat, meow. Fish, splash splash. Bird, tweet tweet. Rabbit, hop hop. I love my pets. Flowers. Rose. Lily. Sunflower. Tulip. Daisy. They all smell so nice. Colors. Red apple. Blue sky. Yellow sun. Green leaf. Pink flower. Wow! So many colors. Shapes time. Circle. Round like the sun. Square. Like a window. Triangle. Pointy like a pizza slice. Rectangle. Like a door. Star. Shiny in the sky. Wow! So many shapes. Do you like my book? Say yes. Let's read it again soon. I have more books too. Do you want to see them? Then don't forget to subscribe, so we can learn and have fun together. Bye bye, friends. See you next time.